What's up, guys? Are you looking for good headphones under $100? I have just the right thing for you. Meet 1More SonoFlow headphones. These headphones lossless LDAC codec. These are high resolution audio wireless certified. They support active noise cancellation again in this price range, and they are fast charging equipped and they look stunning. Time of making this video, they cost you just $63. So let's check them out. If you press it, it does not let it press, so it protects the headphones. Hanger to carry it. We have the headphone jack cable because it supports wide mode. USB type A to type C cable as well. 3mm headphone jack cable, type A to type C charging cable. Documentation. This is what came inside it. First of all, have a look at their design, finishing, and their color contrast, the red colors inside the ports like type C and headphone jack ports, and inside the cups, that gives it really nice contrast. Their buttons placement and their foaming material. Ear cups are made of protein leather. Overall, it looks really premium, like as compared to, for example, have a look at these WHXB 700 headphones by Sony. They cost you around $100, while these 1More SonoFlow cost you, at the time of making this video, just $63 on sale. Look at their appearance difference. These are not as adjustable as you would like them, right? Sony's ones don't come with any carrying case, and their finishing is just really cheap. On the ear headphones, not over the ear headphones like 1More's. Even in sound quality, 1More SonoFlow leave these Sony's headphones in the dust in terms of comparison. They are very lightweight. They have an adjustable headband because these are over the ears, not on the ear headphones, so they are very comfortable to wear. They just weigh, I think, 250 grams, and you can wear them for longer sessions, for example on your flight, and listen to them without feeling any strain on your head or ears. In terms of audio quality, these headphones have 40mm driver to deliver a really excellent quality audio, high resolution audio, and high resolution audio wireless certified, which in simple terms means like that really good quality audio for you. Take me somewhere unfamiliar, bring me back to where we started. Get me out of now. So where we started out. In my testing, they delivered really good lows, mids, and highs, and there was no distortion of any kind even at full volume. It also supports lossless LDAC codec for you, and these are also have noise cancellation, and then they also have transparency mode. These headphones have 5 in total mics, and they have what they call environmental noise cancellation in them. You get a really clean sound even when you are in a noisy environment outside. This is the sound that you're hearing coming directly from the microphone of my mobile phone. Now this is the sound that is coming from the microphones of these headphones. As you can see that they have filtered quite a lot, if not all the noise coming out from the outside world. Also connect using the wired mode because they have a headphone jack port as well, 3mm headphone jack port. So it is up to you. You can use either wired mode if you run out of battery, or you can connect using the Bluetooth mode. And these headphones can connect to 2 Bluetooth devices simultaneously, so you can switch between those devices very easily. In terms of playback controls, buttons on top can be used to play, pause video, audio, attend calls, switch to next track or previous track, or trigger your Google Assistant or Siri on iPhone. So you can perform all these operations with the buttons given on these headphones without touching your device. These headphones also come equipped with their own companion app called 1More Music app that you can use to upgrade the software of these headphones so they are always up to date without any issues, and those issues get fixed over time. And you can also adjust the EQ settings of these headphones. Not only that, you can actually create multiple EQ setting profiles and switch between them depending on what you are listening. You can turn off the dual Bluetooth device connection support, and you can also turn off LDAC codec if you don't want it. So all those functions are there in the app, and you can also see the battery life in the app. Lastly, let's talk about the battery. These headphones can last you up to 70 hours of continuous usage with active noise cancellation off. And if you have turned on the active noise cancellation, then these headphones can last you up to 50 hours of battery. And these also support fast charging using the type C port. So with just 5 minutes of charge, you get 5 hours of battery life in these headphones. Definitely give these a try. I think you will love them. These are much better built. Their feature set is extensive. So definitely a good recommendation from my side. If you are interested in buying headphones, give them a try. I will leave the link to buy these in my video description. And let me know if you have any other recommendations in this price range. I will definitely check out those as well. And please take great care of yourself. Bye.